Good morning, guys. We will start in 10 minutes, all right? Still a while. Good morning to those who joined. We will get started in exactly 8 minutes. Get some questions, tickers, all that kind of stuff, all right? Good morning to those who joined. We are going to be starting exactly 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Guys, let's get the like stream. Let's get liking up. Like it up, like it up, like it up, like it up. We'll start at 40 likes. Right, what up? What up? What up, Totes? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Pirzo dead. No, Pirzo is just in a downtrend at the moment. You want to trade something above VWAP. Wait for this to get above VWAP. Alright. Going through Twitter and then I'll get to you guys. Go through Twitter, then Discord, and then I'll get to you guys, all right? So I'm waiting for that 40 likes. Once we get to 40 likes, then I'll start responding to all the questions, all right? It's free to like up. I spend a lot of time giving you guys a lot of education. All you can do is just like that button. It means a lot. That is your Christmas gift to me. Right, GOEV. Wait for break above 0.157. All right, GOEV, you have to wait for that break above. Don't enter below. All right, GOEV, Cara. Let's see, CARA. Nothing on this. Nothing on this. Please, CGTX, done it. CGTX, done it. This is 124. 124 break. CGTX 124 break. Discord members, I know you're trading this, so well done if you got in. Fantastic job. 124 break equals entries. Right, how many likes we got here? Come on, guys. Let's go. Let's go. 32 likes. Nice. We're getting there. We are getting very close. We are getting close. One NIVF holding strong. Today exceeds. Wimmy prediction. Wimmy, not really interested. This looks great. CGTX looks fantastic. Wimmy, I would wait for $1. Wait for $1. A lot of resistance here. Psychological level, personally would wait for $1. Wimmy, wait for close above $1 to enter. Cool, cool. Thank you. What else is there? We have thanks bro, no worries, no problem, no problem. Right, let me go through a couple Twitter ones for Discord and then we'll get to you guys. For those who just joined, please, Discord members that just joined, okay? It takes 2 seconds to go onto your Discord DM that I have DM'd you, okay? And I've told you what you need to follow, all right? It simply is just going onto that link and watching the intro video. It takes 5 minutes. Once you have 5 minutes, then you'll know everything about the Discord. Because I know a lot of people are excited to trade with the Discord and make money. That's great. But if you don't want to take the time out, how to understand how the alerts work and all that stuff, then you're going to struggle. I'll be honest with you. How many likes we got? Come on, 34, 6 more. 6 more. 6 more likes. 6 more likes. That is it. Only 6. Let's get it going. Let's get it going. And guess what? It doesn't cost you anything. It's free. VRAR. VRAR is just ranging at the moment. For me, wait for entries above 221. 221 entry would be good. Anything below, not really interested, since you can see that it's clearly just ranging, right? You don't want to trade something that's ranging. Why? Because you don't know what the likelihood of it going up, because obviously you're getting in the stock to expect it to go up. Right now, in this range right here, right, I'll put it in red. What do you notice? Up, down, up, down, up, down. What do we notice if it breaks 221? We have clean range to the upside, no resistance. See that? So that is it. So VRAR, wait for... So look here, VRAR 221 break equals entries. As simple as that. Oops. VRAR 221 break equals entries. There we go, fixed it. All right, I'm gonna get to you guys on Twitter now, or Discord, sorry. Everybody be ready. All right, good morning, Green Day. Yes, Pirzo. No, Pirzo is just in a downtrend. If we look at it here, we are in a downtrend. If you want to take entries, either wait for the downtrend break or wait for VWAP. Personally, I'd wait for VWAP for push to the upside, because if you break this resistance, you have another resistance, which is VWAP. Excuse me. Hey, Toads, what up? Guess what? Uoka. People have been talking about this for years. Nothing's going on with this trash. Yes, it's up 11%, but for me, I don't know. It has a lot of room to the upside, just too much talk for me, too much talk. It is breaking up, which looks good for those who are interested. But yeah, so Yoka currently breaking out. I won't be touching it though. 18% yesterday, which was great, and then 7% today, which is great. Which is great. Guys, let's get some questions in. We have 80 people in here. We can get questions in. Questions. Tickers. You are here, I'm assuming, to learn and understand how I chart and all these things. And you want the plays and all that. If you want the plays, feel free to join the Discord. I'll give you guys a few setups here and there. But if you guys have any questions that you don't understand in trading in general, what is a stop loss, targets, risk management, all those kind of things, feel free to ask. I will give you some insight. LGMK. LGMK is currently in a strong bearish trend. For me, there is nothing on this. You have a gap fill here on the daily, but apart from that, it doesn't look great. You need to get all the way up to $8.70. That's it. Right now, it's probably at the lowest point. For me, not interested. You see this? Not interested. Too bearish. Has a daily gap fill. Although it has a daily gap fill, yeah, nothing. Look, it's right here. No need. Leave it. Leave it. PLRZ, wait for close above 347. If you're in the Discord, you can use the candlestick strategy on this. Yeah, you can look for an entry on that. Otherwise, just wait for 347 to look for your entries. Break above 347, you have room to $4 and $4.60. All right. So PLRZ, wait for 347 break above. Yeah, 347 break above is what you're looking for to take your entry on this play. Anything below, I personally would not take it because there's a lot of rejection here, right? You don't want to be buying into resistance. Once it's broken, that looks good. So look, break above here, push to the upside. You enter here, you have resistance here, and then you have resistance here, here, all of this noise. Close above 347, you have clean range to the upside, right? Likelihood of you making money when it closes above here, much higher. I would say 70-80% of it going up once it closes above. Entering here, maybe 40-30% chance of it going up, right? LGMK, yeah, I just went over that one. Hi, evening, what up, elevated? RR, this one here. RR is looking great. I really like this setup. It looks great. The whole sector is very bullish. I'm a big fan of this stock. I like it. Has a good setup. These are your key levels on RR. So RR is 157 break. RR 157 break equals entries. All right, so mark that 157, get that level, and you should be golden. Good morning. Could you please look at VRAR? Yeah, VRAR is nothing here. This is a no trade range. Inside here, no trade range. Close above 221 is a trade range. LGMK. LGMK, there's nothing going with that, Mohammed. I've seen you post it about 17 times now. If you missed it, just scroll back and go through the chat. What's happening here? This one, you need LITM 5380. Close above 5380. Looks good for entries. Candlestick strategy, Discord members. Well done, well done, well done. Thank you. Really just floating here. Well, what up, bro? What up? We had 38, 2 more. Push it. Push the gas. Come on, push the gas. Push the gas. Kara, there's nothing on. Someone asked me about Kara. I don't like something like this. Looks like a pump and dump. Nothing. Larger time frame. Nothing. Sorry. Down 3%. Yeah, nothing. I don't know. There's news here, but it came straight down. Maybe later on it'll run, but at the moment there's nothing. MAIA. MAIA. MAIA, low volume, larger time frame. Yeah, very low volume. This is extremely difficult to trade as a day trader. Now you have low volume on all time frames, right? You can see that by the candles. This is in a bearish trend, which means it's going in a downtrend, which means it's down, which means there's a higher probability it will go down. And also sellers are in control, therefore it will probably go down, right? Don't try and trade something like this personally. Unless there's news coming and all that, different story. Why would you not touch? I don't trade stocks under $1. Also, there's a lot of pumping going on with that Euroca stock. Obviously, it's breaking out, which is a good sign. If it was above $1, I probably would look into it at open, a couple hours after open, see if it gives me a setup. But yeah, for me, I don't trade sub $1 stocks. It's just something I don't do. CRDF, very bullish, extremely bullish, very bullish stock. I gave this alert yesterday at $4.48. $4.48 yesterday was the alert, which was fantastic. Let's look and see where the next key levels are. Let's go to the 4 hour. Where's the next key levels? We have a big resistance here. 640. 640. No way, that's all time high. All right, let me go here. 640. Gonna roughly mark off these key levels. Right. Yeah, these are, oh, here's the level here. Around here, what is this? 750. All right, now, since these are your key levels, all right, now you go back to the charts and you look at the current price action and you see what's going on. But obviously, there's not much volume at the moment. I would definitely keep this on watch. The overall trend is extremely bullish. In my opinion, if this breaks 564, it should run very hard and continue to the upside. So CRDF, if this breaks 564, should continue to the upside. All right, reason is that was previous high of day, should continue to go up. RR, I have new resistance 140, 160, RR. RR is 157, I have as resistance for me personally. Looks very good. Pushing to the upside. Market's opening soon, yeah. 157, 165, 180. JYD. JYD. Let's get the questions in, everybody. Everybody. JYD. What's happening with JYD? JYD doesn't have any volume. I personally don't like something like this. If I had to take the trade, I would wait for this break. Why here? Because there's a resistance, and if it breaks this with resistance, with volume, there's a high probability to go up here. I don't know what's happening. Too much. There's nothing. You see these dots like this? Shows lack of volume. No buyers, no sellers, no one's interested. Hollow, yeah. Hollow's just ranging right now. Hollow's not doing anything. Look. Hollow's literally just ranging. Downtrend, look. You are ranging. Here's your support, 130, and then here's your resistance, 167. It's just chilling. So hollow, no entries unless 167 break above. All right. Ooh. Zero gap fill. I removed that one, I think. Was it Zero? Zero wasn't doing anything. What time frame's the gap fill on? I don't see a gap fill on Zero personally. Maybe on a different time frame, I don't know. Rhyme was a good play yesterday. Hacienda to this was an absolute banger. Rhyme is just in the it's a big sell-off from yesterday. It literally lost all its gains from yesterday. It's just in the demand zone, that's all I can tell you. This is where buyers step in, but at the moment it doesn't look too great. In demand zone. Demand zone means the buyers are stepping in here. This is where the higher probability of stocking up. Demand zone up, demand zone up, demand zone up. RZLV. What's happening with RZLV? RZLV, is anything happening with this? At the moment, wait for 426, all right? 426. 426 is your entry on RZLV. SYNX down 13%. For me, nothing on this. Not interested, sorry. XTIA up 2%. What's happening here? Nothing. As I mentioned, 5 cents, 5.3 cents is your entry point. Anything lower, don't care. Anything in here, don't care. Excuse me. VKTX. VKTX, you should not be looking at something like this. Remove it from your watch list before you buy and lose a lot of money. It is going very, very steeply downhill. VKDX, extremely bearish. Right, this is a clear chart that you just want to stay far, far, far away. SRM, you want to wait for 885, 0.885. So 0.885 here, you can wait for the break above this, like that. Yeah, personally would wait for 0.885 on SRM. So SRM, wait for 0.885 break. Cool, cool. XIA, LITM. I've gone over LITM. I'm not interested in LITM. A lot of people are spamming me with it. Yeah, it's getting close. Candlestick strategy in this work like an absolute gem, as always. As always, as always, as always, as always, as always, as always. As always, as always, as always. Yeah, it's breaking. Looks good. HRZN. HRZN. For me, nothing on this. I don't see any potential. Nothing, unfortunately. Strong downtrend, yeah. Not sure about that one. Maxin, let me have a look. Maxin, larger time frame does not look pretty at all, personally. I mean, it's not that it doesn't look pretty. The thing is, I would wait for this resistance, 654. Break above 654, you have room to the upside. You see this resistance here? So Maxin, wait for 654. Maxin, wait for 654 break. Yeah, I need 654. Maxin, LUXH. This one seems to run always at open and then just burns off. LuxH at the moment, I don't see anything on it. Ran 60% yesterday, but yeah, nothing. Main resistance is around here. Even this I would use 156. Yeah, it doesn't look too great, unfortunately. PGHL, what's happening to PGHL? 1 hour, I'm trying to get this chart up. Yeah, PGHL, just avoid it, leave it, trash. PLRZ, MACD going for. Nice, nice, nice. Great. Imagine selling NUC at a whopping 5 cents. Oh, Wes, tell me about it. That thing is insane. $15 today. NUKK 2250 is your entry point, but this thing was an absolute monster yesterday. I gave it in the Discord, literally as the candlestick strategy for Discord members who know. I said, remember, right here. Sorry, not here. It was there. Remember yesterday? Unbelievable. Unbelievable scenes. Wait for 2250 break. Looks good, but also needs a break. It needs a pullback, right, guys? It's 750%. PJH. BBAI looks, yeah, BBI is great. I gave it as a swing trade. Look at that. Perfect double bottom. Entered here. This was the entry. I didn't enter it, sorry, but this was the entry. Audrey, which stock are you talking about there? Which one is a swing stock? I'm not too sure which one you've posted there. Just please repeat it. Is a better trade pre-market, aftermarket, earns after hours? Intraday. Why intraday? Because that is where the most volume is. That is where you can use a stop loss. That is where there's lowest risk. That is where the highest probability trade set up. Pre-market, there's low volume. You cannot use a stop loss. Same as after hours. But if you have a strategy, you can trade at any time. But the best time to trade, in my opinion, is intraday, because that is where all the buyers and sellers, retail traders, hedge fund managers, hedge fund traders, all of the lads are in there. ARDX, downtrend. This is extremely bearish, ARDX. Leave this alone. LITM. Yep, LITM looks great. I definitely would look for a break above here for an entry. Discord members, also guys on Twitter, this looks good for entries. Expecting break above and at least get this wick fill here. TCBP, nothing unless $1 for me personally. Ah, OPTX. Ah, okay, I couldn't see it, sorry. There was too much spamming going on in your message, so I couldn't see it. There was too much going on. Ah, I can see it now. Clear, clear, clear. Much more clear. Nothing on this. Trash. 11% down. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. Stay far away from this. I would wait for 350 if I was to take a trade on this. Okay, let's go through the watch list here. What's happening? CGTX. Guys, let's like up the stream. It's literally $0 to do it. Can you believe it? It doesn't cost you anything. $0. You have 50 likes. Right, CGTX, you are not entering this trade unless it breaks above 124. You hear that? 1.24 is your entry point. Anything below, no entries. Here's O. Nothing on this. Yes, you're in a demand zone around here. You're finding an area of support. All great things. All great things here. BLDE. Let me have a peek at that one. Pearso is looking good though. It's in a demand zone. I like a setup like this because it's a low risk, high probability will go up. So Pearso expecting reversal. I think about this logically. We found an area of support. We're in a demand zone. What else? Pushing to the upside. What do we see? Strong green candles. What does that mean? Buyers are stepping in. You know, it's all adding up. BLDE. Felix, let me have a look. Has low volume. And at the moment, it's in a downtrend. Downtrend for me, yeah. I don't know. I would avoid something like this. I don't really have. Maybe there's a demand zone here, but bit of a tricky one. Tricky. Demand zone. Here, demand zone for now on BLDE. I would just leave it for now. I'm not really interested yet. BLD in demand zone. Demand zone, for those who joined, it's where buyers step in. Buyers step in, that is where the price should usually reverse. Sorry, you're trolling. Yoka, yeah, Yoka's here. It's breaking out from what I saw last. Yeah, it's trying to break out. 0.32, 0.375. ONDS, not really interested. I would say at the moment you have an area of support like here, 150, psychological, yeah. 1.5. 1.5. $1.5 is your support. What is this? ONDS at 150, psychological support. Psycho. Yeah, 150 psychological support. This is a good level. Good support level. Just needs volume. There's not much volume. Been enjoying Discord. Welcome, Jay, brother. Welcome. Welcome, brother. Welcome. And I've been down. We got in. Get in quickly. You seem like good mood today. Always, every day good mood. Every day good mood. How can it not be a bad mood? How can I be in a bad mood? The only way I'm in a bad mood is if my Discord members don't listen to me. And they take 5,000 trades and they don't take any of the information that I'm trying to teach them, and when they don't use a stop loss and don't take profits because they get greedy. So right now, VRAR, I just wouldn't avoid it. Bearish. CHRS, haven't heard that one in a while. Question is, where is everyone from? Let's see where everyone's from. Let's see where the majority of the followers are from. I think the US and Europe. That is my guess. I think you're mainly US. CHRS needs 185 break. Needs 185 break. Easy snipe on LITM. If anybody listened, I told you that this was a good trade to take. My Discord members are currently on their way to the Bahamas. I'm going right now to the Bahamas. I'm going to meet all of the Discord members in the Bahamas, and hopefully we can stay there for a couple weeks and live the dream. Because look, it's just ran 56%. Everybody's just made $90 and can join the Discord. Get in. Get in the Discord. I've literally just told you to get in the trade, and people got in the trade. Well done if you got in. If you didn't, grab your hand, as I say to the members, and slap yourself in the face. Say, why didn't I listen? TP stop loss, you are correct. America, check. So you're actually from Bahamas, so you go, because you're just saying the trade. Toronto, Canada, nice. Romania, Honduras, Brazil, America, California, Russia. UK, Bournemouth, nice. Bournemouth, nice. KSA, oh, KSA, Saudi. MVST, nice. Saudi, you're next to me. You are next to me. MVST, I don't know, it's kind of dying off here, to be honest, but we'll see. It's still valid, to be honest. It is still valid, to be honest. What is this? MVST still valid. Well done though, well done. Who took the trade on that? EFSH. Let me have a look. EFSH. Up 39%. Is it running? This is a weird one. I have this like 0.3668 yesterday. How many people made money off that TNXP yesterday, by the way? I know, it just reminded because I remember seeing checks and he made good money on that yesterday. Yeah, well done on LITM. Discord members, everyone going. Nice, lovely. Love to see it. Niagara Falls, Canada. Lovely. Yeah, EFSH, just wait for this 3668 personally. TNXP twice. Yeah, a lot of people made money on that. But also people probably lost a shit ton. They didn't sell. CGTX looking very, very good. Pirzo just hanging on here. Hanging on 500%. Damn. I made 6,000%. RR, wait for 157, okay? 157 is your entry point. PLRZ, wait for 347. You're not entering below, okay? VSTE, coming down as well. Lays, it's trying to push up. I like this trade. Stopped me out yesterday, the rascal, and then ran. VRAR, same as this. Nothing unless 221, all right? Wait for 221 to break above. If it doesn't break 221, do not enter. DR Sleek. Welcome. LITM. Yeah, LITM is nice. Great chart. Very nice. Nice to see something running like this at open. Very, very nice to have some volume. Congrats to those who took it. Everybody on Twitter or YouTube, everybody go and like this post. I'm going to put LITM. Get ready. Where is it? Where is the post? Can I not put a post for LITM? Everyone go and like the new tweet. I just put it up. We called this one on YouTube. Let's go. Let's go. Right, guys, let's like up the stream. Let's go. I'll be here for 5 more minutes. All right. CGTX is another one cooking here. 124 is what you're looking for. Everybody be ready. Be ready, be ready, be ready. When you mean break above, close above the point. It needs to close above. I wait for a 5-minute candle. People wait for 1 minute. Some people wait for a 2-minute, 5-minute, 20-minute. It really just depends, to be honest. I like to use the 5-minute. That's the time frame I use. Yeah, this is still bearish. Needs to hold demand zone. I don't really like Pirzo at the moment, unfortunately. Live it up, big dip. Live it up. Let's go. Let me see if I can give you one more setup. Let me see if I can give you one more setup. Ready? CGTX. RR. I would say get some RR. Get some RR. Entry now. So look, everybody, I'm holding your hand through this process as I do for all my Discord members. 140 stop loss. 140 stop loss. We can have 5 cents right here, like 155. Just before this resistance. Right, there is your target. So you have everything in place now. You've entered the trade, your stop loss is here, and your target is here. That's it. See you in the Discord. Let's go, let's go. See you there. What do you think about 3 minutes? No idea, I've never used it. I only use the 5 minutes, so I can only really talk about that, unfortunately. Same as like all these other things, like the MACD, RSI, and all that. I don't know anything about it. I don't care about them because I don't know how to trade them personally. BIOA is running. Let me have a look at this crazy gap fill right here. This thing is cooking on seriously high heat. Wow. This is a 4-hour gap fill. Holy smokes. This is insane. Yo, Z Trader. Here, bro. Crazy gap fill. This has a crazy gap fill. Keep this one on watch today. I don't know how long it's going to last. I don't know if it holds, but we'll see. Pirzo. Not really interested in Pirzo at the moment. RR. We'll see. PLRZ is coming down. VSTE is coming down. Lays is pushing up into open. I like this. I like this. I really like Lays. I'm expecting Lays to break out. Lays expecting breakout. We keep Lays on watch. Yeah, keep this Lays on watch, guys. All these ones on the left are all the colors that I mean, these are all the blue and orange are the trade setups that I'm taking. Well, not taking. They're the ones I'm watching. MSS is in a downtrend. Hi, Tiger. Explain where within the bull flag. Okay, think about this. I'm going to explain this as simple as I can. A bull flag is bullish, meaning the stock is supposed to go up, correct? So that means I'm going to enter inside of the pattern. Same as a falling wedge, same as a ascending triangle, bullish pennant. Everything that is a bullish chart pattern, I will always enter inside. Why would I wait for the breakout if it's expected to go up? Right? If I lose, I lose. I have my stop loss. That's it. No, I'm not here next week. I am not here at all next week. I am going to be spending time with my family. I am taking my first holiday of the whole year, and I will be away for the week. Wimmy. Wimmy. We'll see how Wimmy does today, though. It's always trying to break like this. We'll see if it can actually hold. We'll see if it can actually hold today. Most of the time it doesn't, but we'll have a look. Okay, guys, I'm going to be heading into the Discord. This is the link here, live trading link. All right, Hassi is here next week. Discord members, Hassi is here next week. He will be here all next week in the Discord. All right, I am just away. There is the link. You want to join? Live trading link will start in 20 minutes. I'll send out the link then. I'll see you guys there. Twitter guys, hope you have a great day. DM me if you have any questions about anything. I will help you best I can. What does the 4-hour train tell you other than don't? 4-hour time frame just gives you key levels. That's it for me, like resistance levels that I look for. I use the 4-hour. Some people use the daily, weekly, monthly. Just depends. For me, I like to use the 4-hour. Thank you, Juggernaut. I appreciate it. Last one, PLRZ. Let's see. PLRZ, there's nothing. No entries unless 347. Oh, we have FOMC. FOMC is at 2 p.m. Eastern, by the way. That is going to move the market a lot. A lot. Here is the link to this. You can check it out. Forex Factory. All right. Have a great day, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow. Peace.